Hey, in this lesson we'll be looking at Chapter 6, Lesson 3, Variables and Expression. So a variable is one of the letters of the alphabet. So you could have 26 different ones, and then you'll have a number. Okay, these three things are showing you the different ways you can show multiplication. There's a dot between numbers, which means multiplication, and parentheses. When you have a letter and a number next to each other, that also means multiplication. We are doing this because we need to get away from using the X multiplication sign because it looks like a variable and that can get confusing. So let's look at our first example. 16 plus B if B equals 25. That means we're going to put 25 in for B. So 16 plus 25 is 41. Let's look at our next one. Remember, from above, when a letter and a number are next to each other, that means multiplication. So 6x if x is a half. So we're going to put a half in for x. So 6 times 1/2. So to be able to multiply, we need to change that whole number into a fraction. And then you can go ahead and just multiply across, or you can cross cancel. And your answer is 3. Okay, let's look at the next one. I have 5a, that means multiplication, plus 4 if a equals 3. So we're going to put 3 in for a. 5 times 3 plus 4. So we get 15 plus 4 equals 19. And then our last one, z minus m if z is 9. So z is 9 and m is 4. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. And that's all you have to do on this one.